Welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to solve one of the important interview questions of Java 8, which is to sort the name of employees in a list using stream APIs. So here I have a class called employee. Inside this class, I have two attributes, name and salary. Then I have a parameterized constructor for it. Then I have two get methods for get name and get salary. And then for finally printing, I have two string method. Okay, so this is present inside the employee class. Now in the second class, which is a demo class, I have a main method. In that class, I have created one list of employee type. Employee is basically our this class. And the name of list is employees. You can provide any name here. And then we are adding the values inside this list using arrays.asList. And then we are creating the objects of employee class with the help of new keyword. So I have created three employees here, John, Alice and Bob, and also provided their salaries. Now I want to sort the name of employees according to the alphabetical order using stream APIs. So how to do this? So basically what I will do, I will make use of this employees list, right? Because all the values are present inside this employees. So I will say here employees. So this will convert our list to a string, right? After that, what I need to do, I need to make use of sorted. So I will say here sorted, and inside this sorted, I need to provide the logic here. So what logic we can provide to sort the names as per the alphabetical order? Let's first use the lambda expression. Then we will see using the method reference also. So what I will do, inside this sorted method, I will take two arguments. So you can provide any name here. So I will say E1 comma E2. So basically, after the two attributes, I need to provide here a lambda expression or arrow token, right? And then what I will say, so I will say here E1 dot get name. So this will provide me the name of first employee, and then I will compare this name with the another employee. So I will say here compare to method, and inside this compare to method, I will say E2 dot get name. So basically, at a single time it will take two arguments and then it will compare the names of two employees. So in this way all our list will be compared, and once this is completed, after that what I will do, I will convert this string to a list again. Okay, so after this I will say here dot collect, and inside collect we need to say collectors dot to list. As we have converted this to a list, we need to store it inside a list. So I will declare one more list here, list, and this list is again of type employee, and the name of list is sorted employee. So this is the name of my updated list, and then we will print this list. So how to print this? With the help of for each loop. So I will say here sorted employee dot for each, and inside this I will make use of method reference. So I will say here system dot out. Yeah, we haven't provided the method reference symbol. Let's run this code. So see, we are getting the output here. So the first name is Alice with his salary 60,000. Then the second one is Bob with 35,000. Then John with 48,000. So we are able to get the names in alphabetical order with the help of stream logic. Okay, so basically then first we need to use string, then the sorted, and inside the sorted you got the logic here, right? We need to take two attributes E1, E2. You can provide any name. Then you need to call the get name of first attribute, and then compare two method you need to use, and you need to pass again the second attribute that you have provided with the help of get name method. So in this way you can sort the names. Instead of using a lambda expression, what you can use the method reference also. So how to use method reference? So let me show you that also. So I will remove this part here inside the sorted, and we will make use of method reference now. To use the method reference, you need to say here comparator. First you need to say comparator from java.util package. Let me remove the generic type here. So then comparator dot comparing is a method that you need to make use of comparing, and inside this comparing method you need to make use of method reference. So basically what you need to do, you need to make use of the class that you are going to use, that is the employee one, and then the method reference to the get name, right? Because you are going to sort the list using the names. So I will say here get name. And if I save this code and run now, so see, we are getting the same output. So this logic is also working. Let me change some name here. So instead of Bob, if I say here Tom, and yeah, so now what will be the output? Let's check. So see, Alice, John, and Tom. This is the alphabetical order here. Now instead of get name, if I say here get salary, so what will happen? Let's check that. So I say a get salary, and if I run this code now, so our list is sorted as per the salaries. So the natural order of first 35,000, then 48,000, then 60,000. Let me change the value here to 10,000. Now let's check this code again. 10,000. Now first output should be John, right? So John, Tom, and Alice. So you have seen how we have sorted our list with the help of names, also with the help of salary.